Hello and welcome back to my channel, Elegantly EDC, where I believe one of the most ladylike things you can do is be prepared. In this video, I will be reviewing the Victorinox Climber Swiss Army Knife, the Anker PowerCore Portable Charger, the Anker Prime Power Bank, and the TomToc Belt Bag. I absolutely love all of these different items, and please know that this is much more than a product review. Although if you find this helpful in that regard, then great. But I use these items on pretty much an everyday basis, and I just wanted to share the impact that these items have on my life and my everyday carry life. Starting with the Victorinox Climber Swiss Army Knife, this item never leaves my bag. It's been permanently attached to my keys for at least 2 years, except for in this video, obviously on camera. And I've convinced about half a dozen friends, if not more, to invest in one as well. I use this item for tags, loose threads, Amazon packages, and even repairs around the house. So this particular model is the Climber model, with enough tools to complete 14 different functions. I purchased this one on Amazon for about $45, but you can also go through the Victorinox website as well. On one side of the Climber model, we have a large and small blade, scissors, a bottle opener with a large screwdriver and a wire stripper, a can opener, and a small screwdriver. On the other side, there is a keyring, tweezers, toothpick, corkscrew, multi-purpose hook and parcel carrier, and a reamer for leather or canvas materials. I'll be entirely honest. I use the scissors, the knives, screwdrivers, tweezers, toothpick, and even the bottle opener tool the most. These particular tools suit my everyday needs. However, if you're an avid camper, you can use your can opener and ream tools, and they would be put to significantly more use than mine. There are tons of other models and customization options available. So if you need one that's more heavy duty, like outdoor tools, work tools, or if you just need one for everyday convenience, there's a model for everyone. And just to compare, here's my dad's. His is the Champ model, and it's a bit much for my everyday needs, but it's great for him. It's also significantly heavier than mine, so that's something to keep in mind if you decide to buy the larger or the smaller model. Certain models have different colors and finish options available too, if the standard red is not your preferred color. The tools are all made from stainless steel, and they're designed to be sleek and compact. It doesn't take up too much space in my EDC bag, and I still love the bonus of having essentially a toolbox with me at all times. If you're using, let's say, the bottle opener function and you get a little something on any of the tools, just know that your Swiss Army knife is hand wash only. Additionally, the knives are pretty sharp when first purchased, and depending on how often you use them, they can dull rather quickly. I use mine often, as evidenced by the tape residue still on it, so just know that you'll need to sharpen it to keep it at its sharpest. If you need a knife that can stay sharp for a longer period of time, please check out my other videos where I do review the Civivi Elementum 2. Moving on to the two power banks, I have two separate models, however both of them come from the Anker brand. And the first one is the Anker PowerCore Portable Charger. It's about 4 inches tall and about 1 inch wide. Its size makes it perfect for everyday carry. Lightweight and sleek, this thing is great for charging your cell phone. Its high cell capacity allows for my phone to be completely charged once over, and even with a little extra battery left over in this portable charger. I got this one on Amazon for about $22. It's super easy to use. The top of the PowerCore has a USB connection for your iPhone, Google phone, or Samsung charging wire to connect. When the PowerCore has been used up, simply plug in the micro USB to charge it back up. I know some people don't prefer using micro USB plugins, so that's something to keep in mind if that's not your preference. The button on the side here will illuminate 3 LED lights right next to it, indicating how much power is left in the charger. I would not recommend using this model for charging an iPad or a computer. This one is great for phones when you need to keep the battery alive on car trips, or even when using an outlet is just inconvenient. If you need something with a little more power, well, a lot more power, this is the Anker Prime Power Bank. This charger is better suited to those larger devices like computers, iPads, or really anything else you might need. It might be a little bit big for everyday carry, but I would certainly recommend this for travel, especially in airports. Because I know of how many devices it can keep alive. And for any college students out there watching, this would be great for lecture halls and the library. The dimensions of this charger are significantly bigger than the other one, but I still like that Anker was able to keep it sleek and almost futuristic looking. I bought this one for $130, but I promise this thing pays for itself 10 times over. The power bank has 200 watts of total output, split between the two USB-C ports. There is also one USB-A port if you need it as well. The button on the side of the power bank lights up a display screen that tells you how much battery life is left in the charger, both as a percentage and even as an estimate of time. Additionally, it'll tell you how many watts are being used for each of the ports. I really like this feature because it takes the guesswork out of how much charge is actually left. There is an optional power base for the device, though I did not purchase it. I elected to charge this when it's dead through using the USB-C port, which takes about 3 hours. And finally for this video, here is the TomToc Belt Bag. I know I already reviewed a TomToc bag in another video, but TomToc produces tons of different bags, each uniquely equipped for different everyday carry preferences and styles. So if you don't like to carry a lot on a regular basis, or perhaps you just don't need something that's heavy duty, this little belt bag is excellent for little things. I bought this, once again on Amazon, for $33, but you can also go straight through the TomToc website if you prefer. This bag can be worn over the shoulder or even as a fanny pack if you like to wear it across your waist. I personally don't, I prefer it over the shoulder, but to each their own. This bag feels significantly more feminine, and the color options support this, with options like pink, caramel, green, gray, and black. This one is made of nylon, so it's nice and sleek. This bag comes with a quick release clip, great for getting through TSA quickly if you travel a lot. The zippers are YKK zippers, which is a standard for the TomToc brand. This one is quite smaller than the TomToc sling bag, and I can see that this bag is better for going out with friends, making quick grocery trips, even going to amusement parks and sightseeing if you decide to travel. The manufacturer uses an iPhone 16 Pro Max as a size reference, so anything smaller than that can comfortably fit inside. The outward-facing pocket is one surprisingly deep pocket for its size. This one also comes with a sewn-in keychain. You can attach keys and AirTags to this. The main pocket has a divider and 2 mesh pockets to hold loose items. I like to put my wallet and flashlight in the mesh pockets, my phone and sunglasses in the main pocket, and my car keys behind the divider. The back pocket, the one closest to your person, is great for passports, cash, or any other items that you just want to keep close. Something else that's interesting about this bag is that it's RFID protected. And according to TomToc, the entire crossbody bag is lined with advanced RFID blocking material, ensuring that no matter where you place your credit cards, ID cards, and passport within the bag, they are fully protected against unauthorized skimming and potential fraud. Thanks, TomToc. I really like this bag, and I like that it's small, feminine, made with RFID protection. It's just all around a great piece of kit. That's it for this video. If you enjoy the content on this channel, you can help it grow by liking, subscribing, and even commenting. If you have something that you'd like for me to check out, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.